Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're doing a test on Lapua X-ACT at $35 a box. This stuff better shoot one hole. Let's see what it can do. First up, as always, we're going to foul with 10 shots, but I'm going to shoot two 5-shot groups. Here we go. I'm going to use the center aiming point as my aim point, and I'm going to adjust up. So I'll go up a ½ mil, just so we're not printing on our little sticky there. Our wind conditions today are 2 to 5 mile an hour pretty consistently, and no real gusts, just kind of continually blowing. So let's see what we can do. 50 yards. Not a bad group for the first 5 shots out of this barrel. So that's the first 5 of our fouling shots. I'll pull right 1 mil and we'll shoot our next 5. Alright, so that looks about a ½ inch. That concludes our fouling shots. Now we'll shoot our 5 actual counting shots. So I'm going to go back down to 0 and we'll push back to our 0 there. Here we go. These are our 5 that we're going to try counting. So I'm going for my aiming point, dead center. Here we go. Well, unfortunately, this stuff groups pretty well. So let's go to 100 yards and see what we can do there. Okay, so here we are at 100 yards. The wind has picked up a little tiny bit. When I was out there, it was blowing pretty good. So let's just see what happens. I'm sure, well, our 50 looked pretty good, so let's see what happens. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go up 1.5, holding dead center. Not too bad. We'll come up and I'll pull ½ mil and we'll go for 5 more. Same aiming point. Oh, the wind just picked up huge. I'm just going to hold off for a sec. Okay, I can't really tell from here how the groups look. Obviously you guys already see it and know the measurements. I don't, but looks pretty good from here. So I'm gonna move it now another half. I'm gonna pull another half, and now we should be printing. We should be printing pretty close to that right point, or the edge of the plus sign. Still holding dead center for aim point. Here we go. Hold that one. That was a clean break. So is that. Well, I decided we're going to shoot another 5 shots. I'm going to push back down to 0. And I'm going to drop impact 1/2 mil. Actually, let's go down to 1 mil. And I'm going to hold dead center. Well, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's Lapua X-ACT. And it is pretty good stuff, but there's no way I'm going to be spending 35 bucks per 50 to shoot this stuff. So stick around to the end and we'll show you the SDs and all the shot data. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time.